Bernard Henry, if I understand you correctly, you want to know the steps. Let me just double check and see what you asked me there. The steps I take to A, repost my revise, and to post the said work to the forum. Alright. So you're in your classroom. Just go back here. You're in your classroom. Come on, guy. Go back to classwork. Alright, so you're in this modified grade discussion, your assignment, and you're gonna see this unsubmit. This is unsubmit. You're gonna unsubmit the work, and you're gonna X that. So it's back to, you remove the work, and you go ahead and you add your get your link. Sorry, not a link. Add or create. You get a file. I'm choosing a file from my thing at random. Bam. Open. And your file is in there. And then you're going to turn in. Confirm turn in. And your new file has been pasted. The same thing will take place. The same thing. Not that right before. The same thing will take place in the other section. Come back to classwork. You come back into the peer review. View assignments. You click on unsubmit. You X out this. You remove it, and you're going to put in the new one that you want. That's a very basic way of posting or taking out stuff and reposting. I hope that helps.